Hello everyone, this is the lecture number 36 of the lecture series of Naval Architecture made for MEO examination. In this lecture, we will continue the longitudinal stability of the ship. Specifically, I am going to cover a topic, calculation of the trim for box-shaped vessel when the cargo shifted on the deck. Let's start the discussion on the numerical. Before starting the solution of the numerical, I will always suggest draw the diagram of the vessel and try to show everything on the diagram. If you see the figure A, in the figure A I have shown a box-shaped vessel whose length is 90 meter. The midship will be at a 45 meter. As this is a box-shaped vessel, so center of flotation will be at the midship only. That I have shown with this dot. Let's call it capital F. This box-shaped vessel is floating on an even keel at the 3-meter draft at the forward and at the aft. Find the new draft if the weight 64 tons already on board is shifted a distance of a 40 meter aft. Now in this numerical, if you analyze, they have not mentioned the initial position of the 64 tons mass which is on the deck. Now the ball is there in your court where we have to assign the initial position of the mass. Because there are people, they can assume that the initial position of the mass will be just above the center of flotation, and from there I am going to shift the mass 40 meter behind the center of flotation. Some of the people, they can assume initial position of the mass will be in front of the center of flotation and you are shifting the mass behind the center of flotation 40 meter. There are different ways, there are different conditions are there. You can use anything, but the final answer should be same. So what I am trying to do now, in this answer I am considering that the initial position of the mass is somewhere here 20 meter forward of the center of flotation, and I am shifting this mass from the position 1 to position 2. The position 2 is a 20 meter aft of the center of flotation. It means you are shifting this mass a total distance from the position 1 to 2 is a 40 meter. Now I am checking that if I consider this condition, whether the answer will come same or the different. So when you are shifting the mass from the position 1 to 2, it is not mean that you are going to slide the mass on the deck 40 meter. What you are going to do, shifting means you have to remove the mass from the position 1 and the same mass you have to keep on the position 2. So shifting means it is a combination of a removal of the mass and the addition of the mass. So now what I am going to do, my task is to find out the trimming moment because of these two processes. So first of all, I will find out the trimming moment about the center of flotation because of the removal of this 64 tons of the mass. So when you are removing the 64 tons of the mass, when you are discharging the 64 tons of the mass, how much movement it is generated and what is the direction of that movement, that you have to analyze here first. So the movement is 64 into 20. What will be the direction of the movement? That will be in the anti-clockwise direction. I am writing here 64 into 20. The direction is anti-clockwise. Now the same mass of a 64 tons that I am keeping at the position 2, which is a 20 meter behind the center of flotation. It will be somewhere here. Because of this, how much is the movement going to generate? So that will be 64 into 20. What is the direction of this movement? That will be also in anti-clockwise direction. That I am writing here 64 into 20 in the anti-clockwise direction. Now because of this both the processes, The direction of the movement which is generating here, both are in the same direction. So do the addition of these both the movements. It will come 64 I am taking outside now. Then it will be 20 plus 20, that is a 40 meter here. So if you want to write this trimming moment formula in general, so it will be 64 is the weight which you are shifting and 40 meter is a total distance the weight is going to travel, that is a d. So you can see in this formula nothing is coming about the initial position and the final position of the mass. The only thing is coming what is the weight of that mass and how much distance the weight has traveled. Like this you can calculate the trimming moment. No need to do this thing again and again. So irrespective of the initial position and the final position, you can calculate the trimming moment by using this formula, total weight which you are shifting multiplied by total distance, the same weight is a traveling. By using this you can calculate the trimming moment. Now you can find out the trimming moment because of a shifting the mass from the position 1 to 2 by using the same formula which we have just discussed just now, that is W into D. W is a 64 into the distance travel is a 40. If you do this calculation, the answer will come 2560 tons meter. Now here the final movement which is generating is in anti-clockwise direction. It means that the after draft is increasing and the forward draft is decreasing. This condition means it is by trim by Stern condition. So because of a shifting the mass from the position 1 to 2, there will be an increment in the draft, let's call that is X, and there will be a decrement in the draft, that is called as a Y. Now if you want to calculate the new draft, as we have discussed in the earlier classes, always you have to create a table like this: older draft, change of the draft due to trim, aft draft, forward draft. As the ship is there at the even keel, the forward draft and the after draft is same 3 meter. Now at the aft there will be an increment in the draft because of the movement generating trim by Stern condition. That's the reason we are taking here plus X, and the forward draft is decreasing, we are taking minus Y. So our task is to find out this increment in the draft and the decrement in the draft. So how to proceed for that? We have to find out what is the change of the draft due to the trim. So for that purpose you need to calculate the change in the trim first, that is a T is equal to trimming moment divided by MCTC, moment to change the trim for a 1 centimeter. Now once you calculate the value of a T, then we have two equations with us, that is X plus Y is equal to T, and the second equation is X by LA is equal to small t by capital L. Now what is this X and Y? X and Y is the increment and the decrement in the draft at the aft and the forward respectively. T stands for trim. LA is the distance of center of flotation from the aft. Capital L is the length of the ship. Now in whole calculation you should have a value of a MCTC with us. If you have a normal ship, in that time the MCTC value will be given to you in the numerical, but this is the box shaped vessel, the MCTC value is not given to us. Then we need to calculate first MCTC value. Once you know the MCTC value, the rest of the things is simple. You have to substitute the values here and you will get the value of XY. Substitute that values in this table and you will get the new draft values. Now let's do the calculation for MCTC. As we have studied in earlier classes, what is MCTC? Moment to change the trim for 1 centimeter. You can calculate by using this formula: W into GML, longitudinal metacentric height, divided by 100 into L. W stands for weight of the ship, or you can say the displacement of the ship in a tons. GML, it is always in a meter, and L is the length of the ship in a meter. When the center of gravity location is not given in the numerical, we have to consider the GML is approximately equal to BML. The metacentric height is equal to the metacentric radius. The formula becomes like this: MCTC into W BML divided by 100L. Now how to calculate the weight of the ship or the displacement of the ship? So indirectly they have given some data to us. We know that according to the Archimedes principle, total weight is equal to the buoyant force. And what is buoyant force? Rho into V. Rho is the density of salt water into the underwater volume. How to calculate that? Rho into LB into draft of the ship. The draft of the ship, you have to consider the initial draft. So you can substitute all the values here. You will get the total weight of the ship is 2767.5 tons. Now we have to calculate the metacentric radius. Now here they are talking about the BML, longitudinal metacentric height, because the ship is going to oscillate about the y-axis, which is a perpendicular to the screen here. So BML is equal to IYY by underwater volume. So BML IYY divided by underwater volume. IYY is BL cube by 12 divided by underwater volume is L into B into D. The final answer will come L square by 12D. If you substitute all the values here, you will get the BML is a 225 meter. Now you have a total weight, you have a BML value with us. Substitute both the values here, you will get the MCTC value, that is 69.19 tons meter per centimeter. Now here onwards, once you know MCTC, you can easily find out the change of the trim. Then you can find out the change of the draft at the aft and forward, X and Y. Once you know X and Y, you can substitute in the table which we have discussed just now. Then you will get the new draft. Once you know the value of a MCTC, then we will move to calculate the change of the trim. Change of the trim is equal to the trimming moment divided by MCTC. Trimming moment is a weight of the mass into the distance traveled by the mass divided by MCTC. You will get the value of a change of the trim 37 centimeter by stern. Then once you know the value of a trim, that is we will denoting with a small t, we will have two equations: x plus y is equal to t divided by x by LA is equal to t by capital L. Substitute all the values here, you will get the value of x and y. Now try to understand here the value of x and y, it is coming same and it is the half of the trim. Why this is happening? Because the center of flotation is at the midship location only. So please keep in your mind, whenever you have a center of flotation at the midship location, you will get increment and the decrement in the draft will be remains the same, but only there is a difference about the sign. If this is the condition, you can see the x will be increasing, so we will call plus x, and y is a decreasing, we will call as a minus y. So if you substitute that both the values in the table with the sign, you will get the new draft. At the aft is a 3.185 and at the forward 2.815 meter. I hope all of you understood this numerical. Thank you very much.